Let's talk about WD-40 on your headlights. These guys used to put WD-40 on headlights when I first started going to car auctions back in the 1990s. So what these guys would do would be put some WD-40 on it, run it through the auction. When the buyer got the car home and he gave it a good wash, all this would come off and he was left with those old dull headlights. This has been around for a long time. This isn't something new. I've seen guys on YouTube, they're getting millions of views, and truthfully they are destroying people's headlights. There's only one product that I really use anymore to clean headlights with, and I'm going to show you. It's really simple, and let's do that real quick right now and show you what product I use and how simple it is to use. Okay guys, so this is what I use. This is just a rubbing compound. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean the whole glass with it. If your headlight gets worse than this to where rubbing compound won't clean it, then you're going to move up to the kits with the little sanding pads in them, because a little sanding pad kit would do a really good job on this headlight. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you how to bring a shine out in this headlight with just a simple rubbing compound. Now, this isn't going to make this glass look new, but it will make it look a lot better. It'll be brighter at night. Now what I like about the rubbing compound is when it rains, it can rain on this for months and this will stay looking really nice. It actually puts like a wax film on it, so you don't have to worry about any kind of sealer, and it does a really good job. Really cheap, and it's easy. It's just a rub on and rub off. But like I said, if you want to take all of this little stuff out of here, the stuff that you can actually feel, then you're going to have to upgrade to a kit that has some sanding abrasives in it and some clear finish to put on it. So